There is a silent crisis happening in millions of American kitchens right now, and it is disproportionately affecting individuals over the age of 50. Every single day, we are bombarded with marketing messages telling us that certain processed products are heart-healthy, natural, or convenient. We trust these labels and consume them, believing we are supporting our longevity. But modern clinical data and peer-reviewed studies tell a much more urgent story about how certain ingredients impact our biology. Today, as a physician focusing on nutrition and aging, I am going to reveal the 3 silent disruptors found in many common pantry items, ingredients scientifically proven to drive chronic inflammation and accelerate the biological markers of aging. This is a medical alert for your long-term health. If you care about your mobility and cognitive clarity, you need to watch this until the end, because the 3rd item is a common morning choice many believe is a healthy foundation. The challenge after 50 is that our body's innate resilience begins to decrease. Your ability to process highly refined inputs and combat systemic inflammation is no longer what it was in your 30s. Inflammation, which is a necessary temporary response, can become chronic when triggered by specific dietary components. This low-grade inflammation is a primary biological driver of age-related challenges. When you consume these ingredients, you are sending pro-inflammatory signals to every cell in your body. Let's look at the first silent disruptor. Disruptor number 1, high omega-6 industrial seed oils. You probably know them as vegetable oils, specifically soybean, corn, and cottonseed oil. While the name sounds natural, these are industrial products extracted using high heat and chemical refining. The fundamental problem is the massive imbalance they create. Historically, humans consumed a balanced ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fats. Today, the modern diet is heavily skewed toward omega-6. When these fragile oils are used in high-heat cooking or found in processed snacks, they can oxidize, creating compounds that are stressful to your cardiovascular system. Over decades, this cellular-level stress can impact your overall vitality. The fix is simple. Switch to minimally processed fats like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. These are foundational components of the Mediterranean diet, proven to support heart health and longevity. Disruptor number 2, hidden refined sugars and artificial sweeteners. The conversation about sugar isn't just about weight. It's about metabolic health after 50. High blood sugar levels drive a process called glycation, creating advanced glycation end products or AGEs. Think of glycation as a factor that impacts the flexibility of your tissues and joints. Sugar is hidden under dozens of names in salad dressings, breads, and healthy yogurts. Furthermore, zero-sugar products often contain artificial sweeteners like sucralose or aspartame. Recent research suggests these can disrupt your gut microbiome, which regulates a vast portion of your immune system. Disruption here leads to systemic issues and can even impact your metabolism. The solution is to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods and read ingredient labels carefully. Satisfy your cravings with antioxidant-rich fruits like berries, which contain fiber to slow sugar absorption. Disruptor number 3, highly refined morning grains. This is perhaps the most common dietary mistake I see in my clinic among patients over 50. Many breakfast options marked as whole grain or fortified are actually highly processed grains stripped of their natural fiber. This process makes them metabolically very similar to sugar. When you start your morning with these refined grains, your blood glucose levels can spike rapidly, causing an immediate release of insulin. This is often followed by a metabolic crash by midday, triggering hunger and cravings. Consistent glucose spikes set the stage for metabolic stress. Instead, start your day with a meal that provides stable energy and supports your muscles. A powerful breakfast might include pasture-raised eggs for high-quality protein and choline for brain health, or unsweetened Greek yogurt with nuts. These provide a gradual source of fuel without the pro-inflammatory spikes. This simple adjustment can make an immediate difference in your mental clarity and energy levels. Awareness is the first step toward reclaiming your health. When you shop, think of yourself as a guardian of your longevity. Make intentional adjustments in your pantry, and these changes can profoundly increase the benefits of everything else you do for your health. Longevity is about creating an environment where your body can thrive and repair itself. Now, I would like to hear from you. Which of these ingredients are you planning to reduce first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this explanation helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Health Fix for more science-based health simplified. Your health is a lifelong journey. I am Dr. David Hayes, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.